We are Team 7123, the Fellowship of the Loose Screws from Sioux Falls, South Dakota.
So our team likes to do a lot of outreach, and one of the things we did was go to one of our public libraries. They hold something called STEM Tuesdays, where kids can go and learn about different parts of science and technology. We went twice and we taught kids about electricity and Newton's laws. We also went to the Sanford Science Fair, where we held a booth showing off our robot to parents and kids alike. We ended up tying for first place for best booth.
Our team likes to stay connected and share ideas with other teams using social media. We have accounts on multiple platforms as well as our own website.
During competitions, we as a team have a really in-depth way of finding out who we will work well with. We call this scouting. We go around to other teams and we find out what they're good at and what they're not so good at with a series of questions. By doing this, we can find out who we will work well with and who we will compete well against.
For programming, we use the BNO 055 IMU as a more accurate gyro sensor to make perfect turns.
When we're driving, we try to be super precise, so we use encoders on our motors. So when we're driving, we can know exactly how far we go forward.
This year for strategy, we decided that instead of hanging, we were going to focus more on debris because it's a more efficient method of gathering points.
We use AutoCAD for the online documentation of the robot and online documentation of the robot components, so in case something ever goes wrong, we always have 3D representation of the robot that we can always rebuild it on.
As a team, we make it our best effort to write everything down so that we have a virtual instruction manual in the engineering notebook should anything go wrong. The only difference between science and messing around is writing it down.